The heat is rising, the air is still. My mind is racing, can't stand the thrill of a day gone by with no reprieve from the chaos that I can't believe. But then I hear the distant sound, a whisper soft that shakes the ground. The sky it darkens, the clouds roll in, a promise made, a cleansing wind. Oh, summer rain, wash over me, take my worries to the sea. Every drop, a sweet refrain. Summer rain, summer rain. The first few drops, they kiss my skin, a cool embrace, a gentle spin. And as the heavens open wide, I feel the weight slip off my mind. The streets, they glisten, the earth, it sighs, a symphony in gray blue skies, a lullaby for the restless soul. The summer rain makes me whole. Oh, summer rain, wash over me, take my worries to the sea. Every drop, a sweet refrain. Summer rain, summer rain. In the quiet of the storm, I find a place where I belong. All the stress just melts away, ready for a brand new day. Oh, summer rain, wash over me, take my worries to the sea. Every drop, a sweet refrain. Summer rain, summer rain. The summer rain, it sings my name. Summer rain, summer rain. The summer rain, it sings my name. Summer rain, summer rain.